46. Genesis 46. Jadi berangkatlah Israel dengan segala miliknya dan ia tiba di Berseba, lalu dipersembahkannya korban sembelihan kepada Allah Ishak ayahnya. And Israel took his journey with all that he had and come to Berseba and offered sacrifice unto the God of his father Ishak. Berfirmanlah Allah kepada Israel dalam penglihatan waktu malam. Yakub, Yakub, sahutnya, ya Tuhan. And God spake unto Israel in the vision of the night, and said, Yakub, Yakub. And he said, Here am I. Lalu firman-Nya, Akulah Allah, Allah ayahmu. Janganlah takut pergi ke Mesir, sebab aku. And he said, I am God, the God of thy father. Fear not to go down into Egypt, for I will there make of thee a great nation. Aku sendiri akan menyertai engkau pergi ke Mesir, dan tentulah aku juga akan membawa engkau kembali, dan tangan Yusuflah yang akan mengatupkan kelopak matamu nanti. I will go down with thee into Egypt. I will also surely bring thee up again, and Joseph shall put his hand upon thine eyes. Lalu berangkatlah Yakub dari Berseba, dan anak-anak Israel membawa Yakub ayah mereka beserta anak dan istri mereka, dan mereka menaiki kereta yang dikirim Fir'aun untuk menjemputnya. And Yakub rose up from Berseba, and the sons of Israel carried Yakub their father and their little ones and their wife, and in the wagons which Pharaoh had sent to carry him. Mereka membawa juga ternaknya dan harta bendanya yang telah diperoleh mereka di tanah Kanaan. Lalu tibalah mereka di Mesir, yakni Yakub dan seluruh keturunannya bersama-sama dengan dia. And they took their cattle and their goods, which they had gotten in the land of Canaan, and come into Egypt, Yakub and all his seeds with him. Anak-anak dan cucu-cucunya laki-laki dan perempuan, seluruh keturunannya, dibawanyalah ke Mesir. His sons and his sons with him, his daughter and his son's daughter, and all his sons he with him into Egypt. Inilah nama-nama Bani Israel yang datang ke Mesir, yakni Yakub beserta keturunannya. Anak sulung Yakub ialah Ruben, and these are the name of the children of Israel which come into Egypt. Yakub and his son Reuben, Yakub firstborn. Anak-anak Ruben ialah Henok, Palu, Hezron, dan Karmi. And the sons of Reuben, Henok, and Palu, and Hezron, and Karmi. Anak-anak Simeon ialah Yamuel, Yamin, Ohad, Yakim, dan Suar, serta Saul, anak seorang perempuan Kanaan. And the sons of Simeon, Jamuel, and Jamin, and Ohad, and Jakim, and Shoar, and Saul, the son of a Canaanite woman. Anak-anak Lewi ialah Gerson, Kehat, dan Merari, and the sons of Levi, Gerson, Kohat, and Merari. Anak-anak Yehuda ialah Onan, Shelah, Peres, dan Serah, tetapi dan Konah mati di tanah Kanaan, dan anak-anak Peres ialah Hezron dan Yamul. And the sons of Judah, and Conan, and Onan, and Selah, and Pers, and Sherah. But and Onan did in the land of Canaan. And the sons of Perez were Hezron and Hamul. Anak-anak Isyakar ialah Tola, Pua, Ayub, dan Simron. And the sons of Isyakar, Tola, and Pua, and Job, and Shimron. Anak-anak Sebulun ialah Sheret, Elon, and Yamlel. And the sons of Sebulun, Sheret, and Elon, and Jahlel. Itulah keturunan Lea yang melahirkan bagi Yakub di Padan Aram. Orang anak-anak lelaki serta Dina juga anaknya yang perempuan. Jadi seluruhnya laki-laki dan perempuan berjumlah 33 jiwa. These being the sons of Leah, which she bare unto Jacob in Padan Aram with his daughter Dinah. All the soul of his sons and his daughter were 33. Anak-anak Gad ialah Sifion, Hagi, Shuni, Esbon, Eri, Arodi, and Areli. And the sons of Gad, Sibion, and Hagi, Shuni, and Heshon, Eri, and Arodi, and Areli. Anak-anak Asher ialah Yimna, Yiswa, Yiswi, dan Beria. Serah ialah saudara perempuan mereka, dan anak-anak Beria ialah Heber dan Melkiel. And the sons of Asher, Jimnah, and Ishwa, and Ishu, and Beria, and Serah their sister, and the sons of Beria, Heber, and Malkiel. Itulah keturunan Silba, yakni hamba perempuan yang telah diberikan Laban kepada Lea, anaknya perempuan, dan yang melahirkan anak-anak bagi Yakub seluruhnya belah jiwa. These are the sons of Zilpah, whom Laban gave to Leah his daughter, and this she bare unto Jacob, even 16 shall. Rahel istri Yakub ialah Yusuf dan Benyamin. The son of Rahel, Jacob wife, Yosef and Benyamin. Bagi Yusuf lahir Manasye dan Efraim Mesir yang dilahirkan baginya oleh Asnat, anak perempuan Potifera, imam di On. And unto Joseph in the land of Egypt was born Manasseh and Ephraim, which Asenat the daughter of Potiphera, priest of On, bare unto him. Anak-anak Benyamin ialah Bela, Beker, Ashbel, Gera, Naaman, Evi, Ros, Mupim, Hupim, dan Ared. And the sons of Benyamin were Bela and Becher and Ashbel, Gera, and Naaman, Ehi, and Ros, Mupim, Hupim, and Ard. Itulah keturunan Rahel yang telah lahir bagi Yakub. Seluruhnya berjumlah 14 jiwa. These are the sons of Rahel, which were born to Jacob. All the soul were 14. Anak Dan ialah Husim, and the sons of Dan, Husim. Anak-anak Naftali ialah Yashiel, Guni, Yesher, and Shilam. And the sons of Naphtali, Jasiel, and Gumi, and Jesher, and Shilam. Itulah keturunan Bilha, yakni hamba perempuan yang diberikan Laban kepada Rahel, anaknya yang perempuan, dan yang melahirkan anak-anak itu bagi Yakub. Seluruhnya berjumlah 7 jiwa. These are the sons of Bilha, which Laban gave unto Rahel his daughter, and she bare this unto Jacob. All the soul were 7. Semua orang yang tiba di Mesir bersama-sama dengan Yakub, yakni anak-anak kandungnya dengan tidak istri dan anak-anaknya, seluruhnya berjumlah 66 jiwa. All the soul that come with Jacob into Egypt, which come out of his loins beside Jacob's son's wife, all the soul were 86. Anak-anak Yusuf yang lahir baginya di Mesir ada 2 orang, jadi keluarga Yakub yang tiba di Mesir seluruhnya berjumlah 30 jiwa. And the sons of Joseph which were born him in Egypt were the 2 soul, all the soul of the house of Jacob which come into Egypt were 10. Yakub menyuruh Yehuda berjalan lebih dahulu mendapatkan Yusuf supaya Yusuf datang ke Goshen menemui ayahnya. Sementara itu sampailah mereka ke tanah Goshen. And he sent Judah before him unto Joseph to direct his face unto Goshen, and they come into the land of Goshen. Lalu Yusuf memasang keretanya dan pergi ke Goshen mendapatkan Israel ayahnya. Ketika ia bertemu dengan dia, dipeluknya lah leher ayahnya dan lama menangis pada bahunya. And Joseph made ready his chariot and went up to meet Israel his father to Goshen, and presented himself unto him, and he fell on his neck and wept on his neck a good while. Berkatalah Israel kepada Yusuf, sekarang bolehlah aku mati, setelah aku melihat mukamu dan mengetahui bahwa engkau masih hidup. And Israel said unto Joseph, No, let me die, since I have seen thy face, because thou art yet alive. Kemudian berkatalah Yusuf kepada saudara-saudaranya dan kepada keluarga ayahnya itu, Aku mau menghadap Fir'aun dan memberitahukan kepadanya, saudara-saudaraku dan keluarga ayahku yang tinggal di tanah Kanaan telah datang kepadaku. And Joseph said unto his brethren and unto his father's house, I will go up to Pharaoh and say unto him, my father's house which were in the land of Canaan are come unto me. Orang-orang itu gembala kambing domba sebab mereka itu pemelihara ternak dan kambing dombanya, lembu sapinya dan segala miliknya telah dibawa mereka. And the men are spurred for their trade had been to feed cattle, and they have brought their flock and their herd and all that they have. Apabila Fir'aun memanggil kamu dan bertanya, apakah pekerjaanmu? And it shall come to pass, when Pharaoh shall call you, and shall you, what is your occupation? Maka jawablah, hamba-hambamu ini pemelihara ternak sejak dari kecil sampai sekarang, baik kami maupun nenek moyang kami, dengan maksud supaya kamu boleh diam di tanah Goshen. Sebab segala gembala kambing domba ialah suatu kekejian bagi orang Mesir, that ye shall say, they shall find trade made it about cattle from our youth even until now, but we and also our father, that ye may dwell in the land of Goshen. For every sport is an abomination unto the Egyptian.